If you love making smoothies, soups, and peanut butter, you probably use your Deluxe cooking blender almost every day. Because of that, you should know how to properly clean it. Here are the top tips for keeping your blender and accessories clean and working well. First things first, do not submerge the pitcher in water and do not wash it in the dishwasher. That's what the heated wash setting is for. All you have to do is fill the pitcher up with 3 cups of water and add 1 to 2 drops of liquid dish soap. Then lock the lid and turn the wheel to select heated wash setting and press the wheel to start. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes to clean. Just like your dishwasher, the heated wash cycle doesn't always clean everything. If you cook with more stubborn foods like cheese, you'll want to use a kitchen sponge with warm water and a little dish soap to clean the sides of the pitcher. If the bottom of the pitcher scorched during cooking, don't worry, this can happen. Scorching can occur when you cook with high sugar and dairy-based foods on the sauce, jam, or puree settings. It can also happen after heated settings if you leave the food in the blender for too long because it will continue to cook since the pitcher is still hot. To remove the scorched foods or residue, just add a little water and dish soap to the pitcher and use the dual-sided cleaning brush to scrub the bottom. If it needs a little more cleaning, there are 2 easy ways to get rid of the rest of the residue. First, you can use a salt and oil paste. Pour 1 cup of salt and 1/2 cup of oil into the pitcher. Lock the lid and select the custom blend setting. You'll want to blend on the lowest speed to break up that burnt-on food. Or you can use ketchup. Just add enough ketchup to the pitcher to cover the bottom and let it sit overnight. Then scrub with the dual-sided cleaning brush. After either solution, you'll want to run a heated wash cycle. If at any point during your deep cleaning process you get water in the bottom of your pitcher, all you have to do is let it sit and dry for 24 hours. After you've cleaned your pitcher, it's time to clean the lid and accessories. You can put the lid, boil-over guard, tamper, and dual-sided cleaning brush in the dishwasher, but you'll want to hand wash the strainer bag. If there's any food stuck in the lid gasket, remove it and wash it in warm, soapy water before putting it back on the lid. Lastly, if the base is dirty, wipe it down with a damp cloth. You'll want to clean your Deluxe cooking blender after every cycle so it's always ready for you when you want to make delicious food for your family. Happy blending!